let us now we discuss the chapter number first, the exercise number first. Okay, I hope you watch the first lecture video of this chapter. This is a very important for you when you don't watch this video, without this video you cannot absolutely understand this exercise. And I hope firstly you go to the Play Store and watch the first lecture of this chapter. And let's now start this exercise. The question number first, look at your stat. Which of the following are said? Justify your answer. First question is given that the collection of the all month of a year beginning of the day. The first questions of say that the letter which start the J, the month of year. Also we know that the month of a year is the 12, and the starting of the month with the letter of J, January, June and July. And we know that the definition of the set, the collection of a well defined object who cannot change person to person and always time taking the distinct element and distinct informations. Look at the first questions. Beginning of month J, January, June, July. Okay, when we write in this form January, June and July, this is a set. Okay, because only one element one times use. January is only one time, June is only one time and July is only one time, and it is the distinct element. And this is a set. Okay, question number second, the collection of the 10 most talented writer of India. How can you decide the 10 most talented writer in India? When I say Munshi Premchand is the most talented and any other says that no, Munshi Premchand is not a talented, Kabir Das is a talented, and any other person say that no, Kabir Das is not, Surdas is a talented, and the some other writer we can say that this is the most talented, because we can say that this is not a defined collection of a most talented writer in India. When we say that this is not set. Okay, now this is a not set. Question number second, we can say that not set. Clear? And third, look at that third, a team of the 11 best cricketer batsmen of the world. This is also similar than 2. A team of 11 best cricketer batsmen of the world. How can we define the 11 best batsmen in world? How can you define? We cannot define. It is a change to person. Okay, now. And then also we can, this is a not set. Okay, this is not set. And the question number 4, a collection of all boys in your class. Okay, suppose that you study in a class 11th, and I think you have some boys in your classes. It is exactly na. Okay, it is exactly clear that, and the one person and is the one person distinct person in your class. Otherwise we cannot send the Suresh, and the Suresh is the two boys in your class but different their identity. We can say that this is a two element in your class, and otherwise we can say that this is a set. Okay, clear? Question number 4, collection of your boys in your class, it is a set. Okay, clear hai? It is a set. Fifth, the collection of all natural number less than the 100. Okay, it is set. Why? The natural number is known that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on 100. But here is given that the less than 100. Less than 100, it means that 99, and the collection in write in this form 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. 99. This is a collection of distinct element is called the set. Okay. And the next question, a collection of a novel writer by the written Munshi Premchand. Okay. Here is the listening the very important question for you. A collection of the novel writer by the Munshi Premchand. Here is given the only one person, is the particular person the novel. Okay na? So Munshi Premchand is the collection of a fixed novel, and we can say that the collection of the novel of the Munshi Premchand is the set, because the all novel is the distinct novel. For example, Godan and so on, this type. Okay, this is a set. This is a set. It's set. Okay, clear? Okay. And the last question, the collection of the all even integer, it is also set. Why integer? Even integer, it means that the collection of the all even integer. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Okay, na? This is also integer. Okay. When we write in this form of a curly bracket, this is called set. Okay, because here is the distinct element, and 2, 4, 6, 8 is an integer, and it is also a even number. Clear that? And the next question is the collection of the question in this chapter. The collection of question in this chapter. I know you study in a class 11th, and that time you study math, and the collection of the all chapter of math is the fix, and all chapter is the fix, and the all chapter is name is also a distinct. Okay, and then say that this is a set. For example, the first name of chapter, set, relation and function, trigono, principle of mathematic induction, PMI को we can say that PMI, and the complex number, and so on. This is a collection of the set, because here is the all chapter name and distinct name, and all chapter name work as a form of element. Okay, and then we say that this is a collection of a well defined data or chapter, then this is a set. Okay, and the next question, a collection of the most dangerous animals of India. Okay, also discuss this question in the first lecture, because today I also discuss the collection of the most dangerous animal of the India. How can define this is a dangerous animal? When we say the lion is the dangerous animal, lion is a dangerous animal. Any other student knows a lion is the very beautiful and the very friendly animal, and dog is the very dangerous animal. And then other students say that no, dog is the pretty animals. And how can you define this is a not set? And clear that question number 9 is a not set. It is a not set. Clear हो गया? And then I hope we can start question number 2, and you have achieved the all answer of question number 1. Okay, if you have any problem, then you comment box. And then question number 2 is started. Okay, let a is equal to given that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, inserting the appropriate symbol belongs to or not belongs to in this blank. The first question is given that 5. Firstly, look at in this set 5 is here. 5 in belong in a 5. Yes, we can write 5 is belong. This is symbol of belongs. Okay, 5 is belongs in A. Clear? And the second question is 8. Look at here, any element of 8 here is no any element of 8. Okay, then we say that 8 is not belong in A. Not belong in the symbol of A. Belongs and cut, then it is a not belong. And question number third is 0 is belongs to or not belongs to. Look at here, 0 is here, no, we can say that this is not belong. And the question number 4 is belongs to A. Look at here, 4 is here and also 4 is belong in A, then we say that this is a belongs. And then question number 4, 2 is belongs to A. Look at here, 2 is the belongs in A, then we say that this is a belongs. And question number next, 10 is belongs to. Look at here, here is the any element of the 10, no any element of the 10, then we say that 10 is does not belong in N. How can you write? Okay, this is question number 2, we can solve easily and I hope you understand. And question number 3 we can start. Clear that? We can start question number 3. It is a very important it is a very important question, because set we write in a two form. This is the roster form and the set builder form. Question number 3 say that following statement write in the roster form. Firstly we study the what is a roster form. Roster form, when given the statement form, change into set form is called roster form. Okay, when given then any statement, when we change in a set format is called the roster form. Okay, roster form. Look at the first question of the exercise. First question number 3, the first, A is equal to, given that x such that, we write x such that x is an integer and sorry, I think this is not, look at you, we start here. Question number 3, the first, you look at here, firstly we study A is equal to x such that, A is equal to x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than x is less than 7. Here given that x is an integer and x belong between the 3 and 7, x is greater than minus 3 and less than 7. Firstly we write the integer in this form. Here is given that x is greater than minus 3. Okay, x is greater than minus 3. When we write the x is greater than minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. But any other condition given that x is less than 7, it means that the value of x is contained the less than 7, it means then the 2 minus 2 to 6, and then I write minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is a collection of a integer x is greater than minus 3 less than 7. This is a set and it is a roster form. Here is given that statement and we write in a set form. This is called the roster form. And the second question we'll look at. Second question is given that b is equal to x such that x is an natural number less than 6. X is a natural number less than 6 and we know that b is equal to, given that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 5. Because here he said that less than 6, it means that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is the less than 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a natural number and this is a set. and we can change in a roster form. Okay, question number 3 is given that c is equal to x such that x is a two digit natural number, natural number. For example we take a1 plus a2 natural such that the sum of digit is 8. It means that a1 and a2 is the natural number. When we add these two number, we find 8. Okay, then we find 8. Firstly 1 7, when we add the 1 7 you find 8, and the 7 1 also 8. Okay, 6 plus 2 8, 2 plus 6 8. Okay, and 5 plus 3 8, 3 plus 5 8, and the 8 plus 0 is equal to also 8. The collection of this number c is equal to 17. Okay, 17, 71, 62, 26, 53, 35, 80. This is a collection of the sum of the natural number is 8. This is a set format. Okay now, and the next question is given that d is equal to x such that x is a prime number which is the divisor of, it is not divided by, it is a divisor of, it is a divisor of, it means that the 60. Okay, here given that a prime number, firstly we factorize this number. We can solve two types or three types this question. Firstly we can solve the easy way. Firstly we factorize this number in a prime factorization. We also know that 30 into 2, and this is a 15 and 2, and this is also 5 into 3, and here is the all prime 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Here is the all prime number. When we collect in this set form, we can write a is equal to 2 3 5. Here is given that two times of a 2, but we write here is the only one time of a 2, because we know that the distinct element taken in the set form. Okay, and the next question is given that the set of the all letter in the word of the trigonometry. Okay, the set of, again look at here, 60 is factorization, prime factorization, 30 and 2, 30 divided 2 times factor 50 into 2, 5 and 3. When we collect in this prime number 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, when we write in this number in a collection in a set format 2 3 and 5. Okay, this is a prime number which is a divisor of a 60. It means that 2 3 5 is divided 60. Okay, clear? Okay, and the next question is started. Next question is now start. The set of the all letter in the word of trigonometry. Okay, it is very simple. Firstly we write trigonometry. Okay, and we know that the one letter is writes in a only one times. Okay, then T is here is 2 times but only one time. T R I G O N N O, here is the also right, M E, no anywhere is right. Okay, E, T is also right, R is also right, Y no. This is a collection of the set of the trigonometry. Okay, we use the curly bracket and the commas. Okay, and the distinct element. And the next question, F, the set of all letter in the world, the set of all letter in the world better. Okay, it is a better. Firstly we write better. Okay, write B E T, also here is T and also here is T, E is also here and the R is okay. This is a collection of the 6. Okay, in this lecture this is sufficient, and next lecture we start the question number 5 and 6. Okay, thank you. I think you understand. If you have any problem, then you comment in a comment box. Please watch this video carefully and note down on your fair. Thank you.